So yung boy, kamusta? Kaigising ko lang ulit, may muta-muta pa ata ako. Naman mamaya na, maliligo naman eh. So kakatapos lang nung bisita namin kahapon. Tapos eto, nabang araw ngayon, Holy Thursday. Actually dapat ngayon lang yung bisita pag Huwebes Santo. In advance lang namin kahapon para hindi masyadong kasabay sa mga tao. So yun, medyo ngalay-ngalay pa yung katawan ko kasi akit baba sa sasakyan, nakakangalay din, tapos sobrang init talaga, grabe init. Tingin ko mas iinit pa yan pagdating ng April eh, March, April, May, baka May, tingin ko babaan pa ng sobrang init yan. So ngayon magbe-breakfast lang muna tayo boy, tapos magji-gym. After mag-breakfast tingin ko magji-gym na kami ni Mrs. eh. Tapos, hindi ko pa alam yung mangyayari. So, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung breakfast. Let's go. So, ito boy. Dalawang itlog. Tapos beef. Yan. Siyempre, bana tayo ng kaunting kanin. Medyo busog pa ako sa dinner kagabi. Naparama yung kain ng kanin ko eh. Yan. Tapos, titimpla tayo ng kape-kape later. So, yun. Kain muna ako. Let's go. Sama kayo sa araw natin ngayon. Huwag kayo mag-skip, tapusin nyo tong video. Let's go. Pwede, oh.
Pwede na ito sa'yo, Yama.
Ano?
O kulang pa yun.
Okay na. Sakto na. So yung boy, after mag-breakfast kanina nga, yun nga, ito. Hindi din kami kagad nakaalis kasi may mga ginawa pa. So pupunta na kami sa gym ngayon. Sobrang init. Sana wala masyadong tao. Kasi diba Holy Week, sana tama rin yung iba. Para solo lang. Medyo ang hirap magbuhat pag punong-puno eh. Hirap. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung uunahin mo. Kaya mangyayari, sabog yung program. Paiba-iba. Pero wala, ganun talaga. Part talaga yan. Ng ano. Ng tawag na. Yung ganung nature. Kasi yung pinagbubuhatan namin, bakal gym yung nature. So talagang mga kabataan, dami. Oh, yeah. Tricycle. So yun. Kita-kitsa lang sa gym. Let's go.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your...
So yun boy, ingay ng motor ah. Tapos na kami magbuhat. So hindi ko pa alam yung mangyayari. Siguro magla-lunch muna. Late lunch kasi brunch kami. Kadalasan nagba-brunch na kami, breakfast tsaka tanghalian. Tapos ngayon kung titignan mo, merienda na eh.
Merienda mo na to.
Pero ito pala yung talagang lunch namin. Okay din naman yung ganun, less yung kain. Sa mga nagja-dieta dyan, try nyo yun para mas maging ano kayo, healthy living, para bumagsak yung timbang nyo. So yun, kita-kits sa bahay. Let's go. So yung boy no, bahay na. Dumaan pala kami sa McDo kanina. Tapos ito na yung lunch ko. Yan, 1-piece chicken, yan. Tapos nagtimpla ako ng vegan whey. Yung vegan whey ni ni Atlin. Yan. Yan. Yan yung tanghalian. So yun, kain muna tayo. Let's go. Kain boy, kain. After ko kumain dito, hindi ko pa alam yung mangyayari. Yan natin. Hindi ko na kung magne-Netflix ba ako or what. Hindi ko kasi pinaplano yung yung mga sinushoot ko. Hindi ko pinaplano, basta kung ano yung mangyayari talaga. On the spot. Kung ano yung biglang maisipan ko. Yun na yun yung kinukuha na ko ng video. Tigas. Mas okay sa akin yung ganun eh. Mahirap yung ipaplano mo kung ano i-shoot mo. Mahirap. Basta ang gawin mo na lang, ikaw. Kung gusto mo mag-vlog, kung anong ginagawa mo pang araw-araw, yun yung i-shoot mo, boy. Kasi pag inisip mo na inisip, lalo hindi ka makakapagsimula dyan. Basta simulan mo lang. Okay na yun. Tapusin ko lang to. Later ulit. Let's go.